Join me as I dive into the world of tilt and turn windows to see if they're really worth it, comparing UPVC and aluminum frames head to head. Tilt and turn windows have been gaining popularity in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. Their versatility, energy efficiency, and sleek design have made them a staple in modern homes. But with so many options available, homeowners are often left wondering which frame material to choose, UPVC or aluminum. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. When it comes to choosing the right frame material for your tilt and turn windows, it can be a daunting task. You've got to consider factors like durability, maintenance, energy efficiency, and of course, aesthetic appeal. UPVC frames are often touted as the more affordable option, but does that mean they're the best value for money? On the other hand, aluminum frames are known for their sleek, modern design, but are they worth the extra cost? These are just a few of the questions that homeowners struggle with when deciding between UPVC and aluminum frames. One of the biggest misconceptions about UPVC frames is that they're not as durable as aluminum. But the truth is, modern UPVC frames are incredibly resilient and can withstand the harshest of weather conditions. In fact, many UPVC frames come with a 10-year warranty, which speaks to their durability. However, it's worth noting that aluminum frames are still the more durable option, with some manufacturers offering warranties of up to 25 years. Another key consideration is energy efficiency. Both UPVC and aluminum frames are designed to be energy efficient, but they achieve this in different ways. UPVC frames tend to be more thermally efficient, meaning they're better at keeping the heat in and the cold out. Aluminum frames, on the other hand, are often paired with thermal breaks to reduce heat transfer. UPVC frames are often praised for their low maintenance requirements. They're resistant to rot, rust, and corrosion, making them ideal for homes in coastal areas or regions with high humidity. Aluminum frames, while requiring slightly more maintenance than UPVC, are still relatively low maintenance and can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth. In terms of aesthetic appeal, both UPVC and aluminum frames have their own unique style. UPVC frames tend to have a more traditional, classic look, while aluminum frames are often associated with modern, sleek designs. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference. When we compare the two frame materials side by side, some interesting insights emerge. Firstly, while aluminum frames may be more durable, they're also significantly more expensive than UPVC frames. In fact, aluminum frames can cost up to 50% more than their UPVC counterparts. However, aluminum frames tend to last longer, with some frames lasting up to 40 years or more. UPVC frames, on the other hand, typically last between 20 to 30 years. Another key takeaway is that UPVC frames offer better value for money in the short term. While they may not last as long as aluminum frames, their lower upfront cost makes them an attractive option for homeowners on a budget. However, if you're looking for a long-term investment, aluminum frames may be the better choice. When it comes to energy efficiency, both frame materials perform well, but UPVC frames have a slight edge. Their thermal efficiency means they're better at keeping the heat in and the cold out, which can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. In terms of maintenance, UPVC frames are the clear winner. Their resistance to rot, rust, and corrosion makes them ideal for homes in harsh environments. Aluminum frames, while still relatively low maintenance, require slightly more upkeep than UPVC frames. So, what's the verdict? Are tilt and turn windows worth it? And which frame material should you choose? The answer depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that still offers great energy efficiency and low maintenance, UPVC frames may be the way to go. However, if you're willing to invest in a more durable, modern-looking frame that will last for decades to come, aluminum may be the better choice. That's it for today's video. I hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision when it comes to choosing the right frame material for your tilt and turn windows. If you've got any experiences or questions about tilt and turn windows, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for some tips on window installation, be sure to check out our next video.